Welcome to the channel, InvidiaTrade versus AvaTrade. Who wins? Alright, this is AvaTrade versus InvidiaTrade. So we're going to see who comes out on top, which one is the best broker, and we're going to take a look at both of these awesome brokers, see who is best for you. Now, before we do that, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. So this looks good. You have AvaTrade. They've been around since 2006. Award-winning broker, web trading, and they have MT5 and MT4. You learn, practice, and trade, and you got all the FAQs here. Plus, they have an academy to teach, so you can get all of your questions answered, different cryptocurrencies, and even an education platform. And that's really good, especially with the About right here. So you can register here. Now, you cannot be a U.S. citizen. You can be Canadian, so that does limit some things right here. So if you are Canadian, it's great, or if you're from another country, you can do that. So this looks good. You have over 170 instruments right here. Trade smartly, create an account, safe trading. So I can come here to create an account, and let's see here. And then here, I need to enter all my stuff, my phone number, or I can do a joint account, and then I hit create account. This does look a little bit more complicated to register, definitely, and you do have to be outside of the United States. Now, this is going to ask me quite a lot of questions for KYC, how many stocks, and stuff like that. So the registration process here is pretty in-depth. Now, InvidiaTrade, as we can see right here, they've been a trusted broker for a long time. Account funding, reasons to trade, and the best part about this is a nice clean interface. I don't have to figure out tons of things. I got the platform here. We got MT5, so that is very, very useful. And registration here, we can see if I just click on register and I hit individual. Now this is much more simpler. Just first name, last name, all this stuff right here. Boom. Select my birthday, email, password, other password, and I'm good to go. And the nice thing is, it's not asking me like, okay, are you from here, this, or doing tons of KYC at the beginning. So that does make it easier. All right, so we can see InvidiaTrade right here with the withdrawal, the wallets, MT5, all that stuff. So this was a lot simpler to get started with. And while I like AvaTrading's kind of platform, it's much more complicated now to create an account. Yes, I'll have to do some KYC for a live account, but I don't have to do tons and tons of stuff here. This is much easier to add a new live account. You can see the wallets here, the dashboard. So in the interest of getting everything set up, I would definitely pick on InvidiaTrade as my favorite broker, even though you can see AvaTrade has a lot of nice stuff going for it. We can see a lot of interesting things, but getting registered is going to be a little bit more difficult. So who would I say comes out on top if you want a trusted broker, if you just want to get started? I definitely say, guys, it's InvidiaTrade. Go check it out. Get your broker set up and let me know what you think. If you found this information helpful, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. You got questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the